You guys, this is my apology video. I like to apologize for I don't know what yet. Insert controversy here. I'm so sorry that I did whatever I did, even though I do it all the time, and I probably will continue to do it, but I'm sorry for who I am. And I'll snatch in my apology video when Philip DeFranco talks about it. But in reality, this is how I look. So I'm gonna follow Amber's Scholl. Is that how you say her last name? Scholl? So I'm gonna go ahead and follow Amber Scholl's DIY plastic surgery and see what, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. I really don't know. There's not much you could do with me. It's just, so I'm gonna be following Amber Scholl's video and see if I could DIY plastic surgery on myself. Okay. Oh my God, I should like wash my face. I should put on my contacts. No, they're so dry. The dryness. Oh my God, look at, oh my God, are those my hands? Ew. Oh my God, guys, look at the contacts I need to put in my eyes. I just need to put solution, you guys. I just need to put solution and I'll make them soft again. It's gonna make it soft. We're gonna fix my contacts. Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yep, that's me. The secret, I've had a lot of work done. The secret.
Girl, you look amazing. All right, so she starts with cheeks and jawline. I know I'm gonna get critique saying like, that's not how you're supposed to put on foundation. She's crazy. I didn't even see her wash her hands. Did you know I used to get like so many like death threats when I first started YouTube? I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. How am I getting death threats? My reaction to that was, oh my God, someone's watching my video. Wow. All right, now that it looks like I have officially smallpox, let's start beating the crap out of my face. This is what everyone does, right? This is how everyone just beats the crap out of their face. This is as good as it's gonna get. So then she puts on concealer, but she doesn't do it like I do, straight from the thing. She puts it on her fingers. Oh my God, I really can't see myself. Am I putting it underneath my eyes, guys? This isn't gonna work. I can't see. And then she puts it on the side of her nose. Oh yeah, then she contours. Okay, so I have my very old Kat Von D one. This is how old it is, guys. The girl's been worn. And she of course does a super dramatic, I can't see. Just so you guys know, I don't even know where I'm putting it. This is so bad. This is not even blended. Does she blend it? Tell me she blends it. Oh my God, we need better lighting. Oh my God, I look like a hot mess, guys. Make me beautiful, Amber. Make me beautiful. Okay. She also puts it in her jawline. All right, let's get rid of these chins, ladies. Look at me. I only have 2 chins instead of my normal 4. She adds highlight. I am not a fan of highlighters. I like my face completely matte. Yeah, I just don't like to shine like Edward from Twilight. Oh my God. And I got like Wet n Wild because I don't really do highlight, so I don't want to spend real money if I'm not gonna use it. But what if I look like super snatched because of this, and then I'm gonna be like, damn, I should have bought like a real one. Where do you even put this thing? She puts it right here. Like she puts like a ton of it, guys. A ton. Is it on? I can't even. It doesn't look like it's on. Is it because I got a bad highlighter? Or am I shining? Is it working? It looks like I'm sweating. Can you see that? This looks like I've been all day making some crunchy ass tacos and that oil is just splatting on my face. That's what this looks like. Next, the nose. Can we just appreciate how extra Amber is and how much we love her for being so extra? Her nose and my nose look way different. Okay, I'm gonna do it here because she gets real close and we don't need that. We do not need to be this close. I should have stayed sober for this, you guys. Does it look like I have a pretty nose? She blends it, but she says that she barely even blends it. What happened? So Amber then goes and puts highlight on the tip of her nose. Now let's go ahead and compare my nose to Amber's nose. Eyebrows are next. I tried looking for the lamination things. She links everything below. I went on and it was not available. We're gonna use Benefit's 24-hour brow setter. We're gonna use Benefit's 20-hour, oh my God. We're gonna use Benefit's 24-hour brow setter. You guys, she straight out shaves her eyebrows. Like not all of them, but the tips. I am not equipped to do any of that sort of thing. I feel like my tail end is already gone on this side. Oh my God. I desperately need my eyebrows done. So for the next thing, she does the Bella Hadid brow lift. But I have not straightened my hair yet, so look like a wet dog. Okay. But you do the, can you see the difference? So we're gonna do that and make that super tight and lay it flat. Do I look like I've had a brow lift, guys? And then you just put your hair down and how? I look the same. Like by the time I put my hair down, it just unsnatched whatever got snatched up there. All right, here you guys, here look. The eyes are done. As you could tell, I did not do her signature look because I actually did do it. And then my eyes started crying so bad when I put the lashes on. Like it could not be crying while I was putting on the lashes. And then it made it putting on the lashes extremely difficult. My eye makeup completely came off. So I kind of tried to put it back on, but my eyes are still very wet. Yeah. Also, another reason I don't wear lashes with my glasses is because I have to wear them low like this. Oh, very Amber, you guys. Because you know a girl likes to wear big lashes. If you're gonna wear lashes, might as well be able to fly away with them, you guys. So next is lips. And I have here my NYX liner. It's called Romance Me. So she only overlines the top. Can you even see it? Oh my God, my eyes are burning. I've never had this reaction with lashes. My eyes are burning. Woo! Now, I don't have a problem with my lip size. I actually like my lip size. But if Amber says to overline your lips, I will overline my lips. You could totally... This does not even look natural. Like hers did not look this bad. I look so overlined, not natural. Maybe if I put In camera though, it does not look like. Oh, she just puts a gloss. This is gonna make it look weird. Right, then she contours her lip. If I'm gonna be able to do this. It looks like I bleached my mustache. Why does it look so dark there? Then she puts a little bit of highlight on her Cupid's bow. I don't know if I should continue with the lip, but I am done. Lipo. Oh my god, I forgot about bronzing. Okay, Amber girl, if you're watching this, you did it in the wrong order. Because doesn't this need a set for 24 hours? Okay, I'm gonna do this. I didn't do the body makeup because a girl was not gonna show her ass on camera. I'm okay with showing my boobs, but not my ass. I'm like all trying to dress up, but the camera angle, because I put on heels. Like, this is me with heels. This is me without heels, guys. All right, I did not tan. I did not do the self tanner because let's admit it, the girl is getting drunker by the second. I did not shave my legs. So let's just not look at the legs all the way, right? Because they're not even tanned. Oh shit, she contoured her boobs. I gotta contour my boobs, guys. We gotta make them look big because they're so tiny right now, right? They're all tiny. Gotta make them look huge. Link up above if you want to see how to contour your boobs. All right, I don't remember. It was such a long time ago. I should watch my own video. Wow, looking on camera how much like bigger they look. Oh, my boobs look huge. I think that's, they look, oh, I didn't put on a, she also says to put on a push-up bra. Okay, so this is without the push-up bra. I'm gonna go put on a push-up bra. So this is the look. I'm gonna try to see if I can back it up. What do you guys think? Okay, let me take off my glasses. Is that better? You can't even see. You just see my boobs. Here's the finished product, guys. What do you guys think? Comment down below what do you guys think. Comment below if you guys think I should follow any other person's video. All right, I'm gonna go take some pictures because, you know, I put the effort. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like always, share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.